Hello, I'm one of those people that don't really enjoy cleaning cars very much. I don't mind the washing so much, but the actual polishing it actually very time consuming. I hate doing that. So I've been looking around for something to make it easy, because I do realise, as I just said, that the car does need a polish now and again. And I found this. It's Autoglym Rapid Aqua Wax, and it's a kit. Apparently what you can do is you wash the car and you can just spray this onto the panel and you wipe it in with one cloth and then buff it up with another one. So what have we got? We've got the 500ml pack, of the Rapid Wax, and it looks like here I've got two of those lovely horrible feeling cloths. One obviously is for putting it on and the other one is for bringing it off. Just washed the car and I'm just going to try out my Autoglym. It's actually rained a little bit since it sort of finished, so it's got a little bit wetter than it would normally be, but it does state about not actually wiping it off. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray some on, and I'm really going to do the bonnet in the front section and just give you a quick report of how I think it works. What I can smell, it's got quite a nice smell to it. But it does say shake the bottle well, and it does say only put maybe 2 or 3 squirts on for each panel. So I'm just going to squirt enough just to do round here, and then I'll just dry it off and show you. Right. So here's one of the 2 cloths they supply. I'm going to rub it in like it said. You can actually see where it's covering, so it's quite easy to see why you don't need to dry it. And it says you can do the lights as well. Just starting to rain again a little bit, so I'm just going to dry that section off as best I can. This is the bit I'm going to buff it up with, so this is just going to see what it comes out like. So. Oh, it's coming up with quite a nice shine on here. And it's not actually hard work, not like normal waxing is, which is why my car doesn't get done very often. Turn it over and give it a bit more. Well, it's definitely added a bit of a shine to the car. I've got to do this, I know that. You can certainly feel it on the finish when you rub your finger over. It's definitely taken a bit of a shine, and I don't doubt once this has been done a few times that would probably improve. So I think in between the raindrops I'm going to carry on with the rest of the front of the car. If it doesn't rain too much, I shall do the rest of it, because it's only a small one and it won't take very long. So hopefully that just helps you a little bit. And yet there's definitely a nice smell to it as well. So hopefully I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.